You alright? Ah, my bum's sore. Did a 13-mile ride last night with Daisy on her new bike, and this, my bum's sore because I'm getting back into it. Although I found I had to get some new hybrid tyres because I've got big chunky off-road tyres on my mountain bike at the moment. So just going to see whether they're in the shop. They should have been there yesterday, they weren't. He said they'd be in at 10:30 today. I can't get through to him, so I'm going to ride up there. And if they're not there, I'm going to carry on into Burscough, go to Halfords and see if I can pick them up there. But also it's a chance to try out this new GoPro. First time in anger. I've actually got the media mount on at the moment. Not sure how it's going to work. I'm not going to build up any speed, so it ain't going to tell us much about the microphone, I don't think. But anyway, here we go. Thank you. Hi, all right. Show you a little bit about Burscough. So this is the village centre, little market town based on the mill trade in the Second World War on the Liverpool Canal. Got a nice little village. Got a few pubs, little restaurants. Yeah, pretty cool. This is the wharf. This is where the canal barges used to bring all the products off. There's a weighbridge here, and then they used to take it all to the mill, which is just up the road from where I live. So we're going to go back on the canal this way. This is the route I do when I take the dog for a walk. This is the Liverpool Canal. Yes, thank you. head-on wind, so maybe the microphone is showing what it can do, or maybe what it can't do. We'll find out in the edit. So here's the mill on the right, now converted into posh apartments. A couple of penthouses on the top. It took about 5 years to renovate. 2 major fires. One was thought to be arson when the building company went bust. Looks like they're doing some maintenance on the building now with the scaffolding. Bridge going back to 1848. There's a railway over the top. And then these reeds, I don't know if you're picking up. This is where I live. It's on the right hand side. There's 3 houses, well 4 houses, the first one, so those 3 houses, mine's the one in the middle. You just pull over. There's my house. As you can see, my project for the lockdown is doing the bank, so cutting all the reeds away, cutting all the brambles away. I'm going to make it into a nice little picnic area with tables and chairs, a barbecue. Thank you. Come off here onto the main road and back into the estate. As I said, we're lucky. It's a nice part of the world around here. It's good. Only a few miles from the M6, M57, M58. Railway line to Manchester, Liverpool Airport. Fields. Don't you normally get about 60 miles an hour down here with the turns on the motorbike, that is. Hi guys. Next door neighbour's kids. There's the back of the mill we passed before on the canal. Little play area for the kids around here. Swings, basketball, little tennis court. Nice house. There you go, that's where I live. There's the guy on the left who owns Pipeworks, the exhaust place. Here we are onto the other side of the canal. Look at the house. Here we go. There's maybe a better look of